Shimane, the place where you can discover the origins of Japan. With their mythical quality, you can experience the magnificence, grandeur, and wonder of nature in the mountains, islands, and sea. Within Shimane Prefecture are 4 districts that are part of the Daisen-Oki National Park. The first is the Western District of the Shimane Peninsula. It is said that in October of the old calendar, the gods of Japan gather in Izumo. Therefore, the 10th month is known here as Kami Arizuki, or the month with gods. On the western tip of the Shimane Peninsula is Hinomizaki, a cape with towering cliffs. The rough waves of the Japan Sea have eroded the land to create dynamic scenery. Overlooking the sea, 44 meters high above the cliffs, is the Izumo Hinomizaki Lighthouse. Sagiura Port is a place where the beautiful coastline coexists with an old streetscape. The contrast of the blue sea and the red roof tiles creates a feeling of nostalgia.
All right. Hey, look at all those birds fly! Wow!
Oh, it's nice.
They're so pretty. So many of them, all flying at once.
Dotted along the beautiful coastline are a number of caves. The coastal scenery viewed from the sea is just stunning.
The Japanese coastline is full of caves. They're everywhere. Are you scared of bats?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think there's any bats in this one.
Anchoring the boat at the biggest cave, our visitors begin their adventure.
Look, it's such a big cave.
Wow.
Have you been in a bigger cave than this?
No.
No, it's the biggest cave you've ever been in. Be careful.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Look, and the water is like really green. It's so nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
You see a turtle up there?
Where?
Right there. Oh, it might not be a turtle. I think it was a turtle though. Yeah. Was it a turtle? I don't know.
The second district is the Eastern District of the Shimane Peninsula. The sound of bells echoes in the dignified atmosphere of morning time at the shrine. Every morning, a dance ritual is solemnly performed by the Miko at the shrine. Cycling is a great way to experience the coast, with a constant stream of scenery to enjoy.
Oh wow, let's stop here.
Yeah.
Look at the scenery.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, I've never seen the Japanese sea before.
Really?
It's amazing how all of these small islands get made in Japan. This must be the best scenery in Shimane.
No, there are lots more. I'll show you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Follow me.
Lend your ears to the sound of the waves and feel the salty breeze as you pedal through the seaside landscape. This is a must-do activity in Shimane.
So, do you like Shimane?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
This is my favorite place in the world, I guess.
Really? Yeah, I love it. The sea's beautiful. We've got the mountains too. Oh, I love Shimane.
Me too.
The third district is the Oki Islands. They are recognized as a UNESCO Global Geopark, and they teach us about the mysteries of the Earth. The red cliffs are steep cliffs that look as if they are on fire. The Kuniga coast has sheer cliffs that plunge into the sea. And then there is the beautiful Shirashima coast. The area is both dramatic and idyllic.
Wow, what is this place? So this is one of my favorite places in the Oki Islands. The tree is called Chichisugi Japanese cedar, and it is told to be around 800 years old.
So old.
Yes.
And it is so giant.
Yes.
Wow.
So we will climb now to the Washigamine peak. This is the place with a really amazing scenery. I hope you will love it.
Wow, sounds fine.
So let's go.
Let's go. It is the first time when you climb this mountain?
Oh no, this is actually quite a famous spot here on the island for hiking. So I've been here with my friends a few
cool.
times, maybe like 5 or 6 times.
The mountains also have their charms. Trekking to Washigamine, the northern ridge of Mount Daimanji, is a challenging but interesting route with many ups and downs. This is the top of Washigamine Ridge. Panoramic views are possible out to the Japan Sea and to the Byobuiwa Cliffs.
What also can we do in Oki Islands?
Well, today we only hiked, but if you come during summer, you can do sea kayaking and also swimming, and diving is also available.
Wow.
So there's lots of activities you can do here.
Yeah, sounds fun.
Yeah, if you like adventurous travel, that's the place to go.
The last district is the sacred mountain of Mount Sanbe, which attracts many outdoor enthusiasts. At the bottom of the mountain, one way to enjoy the rich landscape in style is glamping.
Yeah. You guys go camping a lot?
Not so much.
Yeah, I go camping quite a lot. Hey, look who's here! Hey.
Hi. How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
For elementary school.
Oh, there it goes. Here we go.
You can do it.
Yeah! Woo! Okay, everyone, to Shimane's nature! Cheers!
There is no shortage of conversation when you have Mount Sanbe in the background and the sun is setting against magnificent scenery.
What is your favorite food?
I love meat. So I hope we have. I think we're gonna have a lot of barbecue meat.
Shimane beef is better, yeah?
Yeah. I feel like I'm doing like a food commercial. Like, Shimane beef. Oh yeah.
The best.
Mount Sanbe in winter has a lot to offer. Snowshoeing is a great way to explore the outdoors in winter, breathing in the fresh air of the forest and walking on fluffy snow.
Yeah. It's pretty amazing. Like it's so the air is so clear here. Like it's because it's far away from like all the big traffic and stuff like that. So the air is amazing.
That's true.
And like to breathe it and feel like really refreshed and then look at these sights is pretty amazing.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. It's
And the
really
snow today is beautiful. Can you imagine living here and getting to experience this every day?
Yeah. I mean, no.
The people who live close to this mountain are very lucky.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm jealous. I actually, before coming to Japan,
Yeah.
I didn't realize that it was so mountainous.
Yeah, you didn't.
I kind of thought it was flat,
Really?
but so I was pleasantly surprised by all the beautiful mountains.
Yeah.
The snow-clad mountains of Shimane in winter echo with the voices of skiers and snowboarders. No matter the season, there are so many options for enjoying the great outdoors in Shimane. That is what Shimane is all about.